Okay, thank you for the times. Today we would like to present our paper entitled Digital Village Transformations, a Model Cyber Age for Tourism.
First, I'm going to explain introductions. Second is research method. Third is result and discussions. I know it will be easy to understand what our research is talking about. So first, let me introduce the background or what topic we choose, an object we put for the research, and how we briefly explain what and how it becomes so possible. So in the introductions, actually we have a special issue regarding the cyber acts in village case, and we call Ponggok Klaten. This is a village we try to find how their strategy to get 9.6 billion rupiah income per year. The successful of Ponggok village to establish and run the village-owned enterprises brings the Ponggok village as one of the richest village in Indonesia. So we curious about how the strategy they use so far. In the past, Ponggok village was so boring and so poor. However, they have umbul as a water resources, or we said it was a pond. The community has an idea to elevating poverty. The ideas was come up with the boom of digital atmosphere at that times regarding how to make an unusual photography. They use umbul as a basic accommodations to take tongue-in-check underwater selfies in a pond. The concept was so unique. Visitors did underwater photography concept and they can upload photos of themselves on motorbikes or bicycles and even do pre-wedding photo shoots which quickly become viral on their Instagram account. And then for the research method, actually a qualitative research approach also was used in this study. Both an archival method or literature review and ethnography approach were applied to understand that virtual tourism would become so possible during COVID-19. Ethnography approach was also conducted to identify their community empowerment as a fundamental strategy for smart village concept. An archival method was also used to explore its historical places. So we will see how the village transformations in the past, present, and the future as a model of cyber age, especially from the last 3 decades. For the first result, Ponggok community strategy is using umbul or pond as a tourism spot with underwater photography. Visitor can easily feel the concept of panorama underwater, shady trees and fishes with underwater photography concept. In the Cyber X era, Ponggok community has an official Instagram to upload a unique photo. They also has a unique village website to attract wider tourists and selfies with the fish. So I mean like Ponggok village has become a smart village because they utilize natural resources and historical value. It represents a prominent local resource beautifully since through cyber age where internet and digital era are massively applied today. From our interview with Hetman's wife of Ponggok, she explained that Ponggok is not only focused on the water tourism spot today but also keep innovating on digital marketing. However, due to COVID-19, the tourism concept becomes so challenging, so the present study tried to provide innovation as well as a second result.
Okay, that's all our presentations, and thank you for listening.